So before we mash, we have to put the barley through the mill. We're looking for 1.2 tons into our grist bin. So we've started the mill here. The mill is the only piece of second-hand equipment in the still house. We bought it from a brewery in Yorkshire. It's around 70 years old. So augers take the barley from the bins up into the top of the mill here. It's fed through the mill, out the bottom, and an elevator takes it up and it goes through here to our grist bins. So this is the auger from the mill, elevator, and you just select the bin that you're required to fill and open it. So the milling's complete, so just checking now to see if the grist ratios are about where we want them to be. So yeah, that's fine. So pour the sample in. So, and you just got to shake it. That should do the trick. So first I'll put the husk in. As you can see, it separates. Record that. So that's the test done. The husk's at 18%, the grits is at 73%, and the flour's at 9%. We found that that's kind of percentages we want for each of them. We don't want too much husk in it, or the mash will drain too quick. And if there's too much flour in it, it'll turn into a kind of sticky, like a porridge, and it won't be good. So we've found that these parameters suit us. So it's good for today. We'll mash on.